Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an avatar on Instagram. First, let's go into the Instagram app. From here, you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select Settings. Next, you're going to tap on Account. And from here, you're going to scroll down and you will see avatars right below account status. And you can see here a new way to be you on Instagram. And you will tap on Get Started. And from here, you can start creating your avatar. As you can see, you have different skin complexion you can choose from. And you'll simply tap on the one that matches your complexion. Then you'll tap on Next. And from here you can select the hairstyle that suits you. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from again. And you can also change the color of the hair by tapping right here on hair color. But let me select one first. For example, this one. Then tap on hair color and you can see the different options. Then you'll simply tap on Done, or you can tap right here. And you could take a photo if you want, but I'll tap on Done. Save changes. Your avatar is being updated. And you'll tap on Next. And that's it. That's how to create an avatar on Instagram. You can also add outfits. There are numerous ways you can personalize your avatar. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.